Okay, so we're just going to run through the competitive analysis for structural engineers and similar search terms and look at what the competitive landscape is, particularly for organic search. So this is a search in Google, and we can see that different businesses come up on Google Maps. That's definitely an important area of organic search optimization, to have the website come up, phone number, that kind of thing. And that can be done for multiple locations. Then there's a few questions and answers, and the regular organic search results come up. We've got yellow pages, we've got consulting businesses, PHC engineers, high pages, which is a directory. So RMG, a lot of different businesses come up, local search, which is also a directory. So there's quite a few variety of things. There's a few paid ads. Also, Google suggests other search terms, which we would also want to optimize for if we're targeting this category. There's even some Google sites, seek for job ads. So there's a lot of variety coming up in the search results, which means there's plenty of opportunities to get rankings there. We'll look at some of the competitors' websites briefly and get some ideas about them. RMG comes up. They've got a nice background video, but otherwise the site's not that clear about what they're offering or what their main advantages are. So I think they could do a lot better. PM design, it also does look very dated. There's, reasonably clear navigation, but otherwise could be a lot more intuitive and easy to navigate. So it's probably one of the better sites in this area. They've got a good clear banners and clear explanation of what services they offer, about us, and clear ability to drill down into the different service offerings. Then we jump over to Baker, and they have a nice sort of design, modern design, but not sure how easy it is to understand exactly what they do for visitors particularly coming from Google that may have searched and they're arriving at the site for the first time. That's something that needs to be considered. And then we've got CAF Consulting, and they also have quite a big banner area highlighting a few of their technologies. They do have a good, clear explanation of their services, which is good. A user coming for the first time can understand what they're offering. And what we're able to do as well with this sort of analysis of competitive landscape on Google and organic search is we can run competitor data. So this is an example here running on meeteng.com.au, and it will bring up data based on what's been observed historically for that domain. Metrics like the domain trust, the page trust indicate the authority of the website in Google, and also an indication of the organic traffic seems quite low for this particular site. Paid traffic they haven't explored for this particular site, but obviously some in this market are using paid traffic as well. And then here we have the referring domains, number of backlinks from other websites. So these are all indications of how authoritative the site is in Google and where it might be placed in Google rankings. Their sites, if we're doing the SEO, we work on improving those metrics over time to boost up the traffic and how highly placed it is with Google. This site obviously hasn't done any SEO because their rankings are all in the 51 to 100 category. So they aren't targeting organic search, and that's an advantage if we're pushing a site in organic search in this market. Some of the competitors may not have done SEO, so we'll be able to get quicker results in that area. So from this type of report, we can produce more detailed reports on a number of competitors that helps form a strategy when we're starting to work on a site.